Now what you gonna do with it? Now what you gonna do with it? Now what you gonna do with it? Now what you gonna do?
Alright, Jobble people, today I'm going to show you this very quick one on how to make these adapters not shit. Just for frame of reference here. So, Propane mag. Let's see if I can get this so you guys can see it. Yep, nice and in the hole. And then oh, let's just try another one, just to make sure it wasn't a fluke. Alright. I keep bumping the camera, sorry. That seems pretty airtight to me. Alright, so super duper simple. Get a little butane adapter tip so that this metal is not shredding your valve O-rings. Get a set of generic O-rings from Bunnings and pull this kind of apart. So they're pretty super duper simple inside, but the problem is they cheap out. I've seen a variety of different like rubber paddings. So in here, instead of an O-ring around here, they'll just have some like shitty rubber pad that disintegrates like literally within like one or two pokey pokes. So find an appropriate sized O-ring like these little guys here. You want to get yourself some silicone oil, lube him up nice and good. Nice and good, yeah, rub it in there. Nice and deep like. Reinsert him in his little hole. Oop. Put a little bit of, just to help like not have any loss in that top bit, and there you go. Get yourself a actual usable decent propane adapter.